And the Stockton Bank Tower Cam. Hey, nice job, fellas. Beautiful shot there. And good afternoon, everyone. So nice to have you on board on this day before, the day before. And things could really go downhill starting later tomorrow. And I'll have more on that, weather-wise, that is. I'll have more on that in just a little bit. Just some clouds across the region right now. No problems at all for traveling tonight, in the evening. Maybe towards morning there could be some light freezing rain across the region. 36 in Great Falls, 34 in Helena. Not too tough to take. A little breezy out there. Those winds will keep those temperatures up in some areas overnight tonight as we get only down near freezing in some areas. Temps around the rest of the good old USA still pretty mild many areas. Not getting a whole lot of kicks on Route 66 there in Amarillo, and even freezing there, but loving that action in LA, 71 degrees. Speaking of action, wow, whale of a storm up here in the Gulf of Alaska, and the bottom of that trough sending some moisture on shore, a little bit of rain, Washington State. Bit of a ridge over us tonight, right now. However, by tomorrow, boom, energy dives into that trough. Remember, trough, that's where the action is. This shifts eastward tomorrow, bringing us a chance for freezing rain early on, rain, and some snow by later tomorrow. Here's how one computer model sees things. The timing is always so very difficult in these situations. A couple other computer models have a little bit of difference in timing, but we'll show you what this one sees. Overnight tonight, some freezing rain may develop across portion of the high line along with some snow. Other computer models suggest we could see a little freezing rain in the Great Falls area and Helena. That's a possibility for early tomorrow, so please just keep that in mind. Also, just some plain old rain. But watch, by late in the day, the cold air gets here, and watch how we change the snow. We see some rain, and boom, by 5 o'clock in the afternoon, this particular model painting quite a bit of snow across central Montana. So you can tell by this, travel could really be hazardous by late tomorrow afternoon, and right on through tomorrow night. This model keeps the snow going into early in the day on Christmas. Other computer models keep the snow going into the afternoon on Christmas Day. Safe to say late tomorrow afternoon, right on through midday into the afternoon on Christmas, travel will be hazardous in many areas of our state. So just keep that in mind and keep up on the forecast. For tonight, there may be some freezing rain in some areas towards morning. Otherwise, skies will be partly cloudy. And then for tomorrow, rain, freezing rain, partly and mostly cloudy skies, and some snow pretty much predominates by late in the day tomorrow into tomorrow evening. We'll be in the 40s early on, but those temperatures will dive late in the day. And then the Rocky Mountain front, windy, some snow, especially around Browning and Choteau tonight. There could be a couple of inches. And then for tomorrow, snow and some freezing rain early possible in the day. Temps in the 30s, but falling later in the day across the high line. Could see some freezing rain early tomorrow morning and through mid-morning tomorrow. Cold, teens to the mid-20s. And then for tomorrow, some freezing rain early on, some snow later in the day as those temperatures fall. In the next 7 days, here's what we have for you. 70% chance or thereabout of the rain, especially tomorrow night. It looks really like a tomorrow night into early Thursday thing, but anywhere from evening tomorrow through afternoon on Christmas Day, travel could be very, very hazardous. That's 42. We could do a little bit better than that, but temperatures will definitely fall later in the day. And right on through the weekend, things not looking too bad. And I know earlier we showed some very, very cold air getting here. Right now the computer models are just wishy-washy on that bitter cold stuff for early next week. So I'm just going to leave it out of the forecast for now and hope for the best. But no doubt there's going to be travel problems for you when you're out running around doing your last-minute shopping tomorrow night there, huh?
No, mine is done.
Yeah.
I was, excuse me, I'm proud of myself. I'm choked up about it because this year I actually got it done early.
Yeah.
But we do want to say this, okay, that while the roads could be treacherous a little bit if you're driving, Santa's sleigh, no worries, right? Because they're built to get through that stuff.
Redemption, you know, this is about this storm. Santa's going to have no problem at all bringing you your coal and me all my presents.
And kiddos out there, your presents too, right?
Don't worry.
Yes.
Don't forget about that.
Ted, thanks so much. We'll be right back.